I had such a good time. It was intellectually great, but also socially. It was a fantastic event. People were incredibly enthusiastic before we even got here.
We've had a lot of fun here. We don't always have the best introduction, but this has been fantastic. People have been very kind, they've been very generous with their time, and it's just such a nice environment. You know, people are just so welcoming. It's been lovely.
Yeah, I've only seen a very small part of Pakistan, I know that, but it's what people describe cities and urban areas in this type of the world. Full of people, busy, noisy, but lively, and it's been great. It's great to work outside of your home country and see other places, of course, the other culture. Our work gets better and better the more you work with other cultures and different people, because the diversity is what adds value to what we do. The main thing is that people are incredibly open and warm and welcome and enthusiastic, and the hospitality that we've enjoyed here is just amazing. So it's a place I want to come back to, and then probably have to see the mountains or something that is less urban.
This is the best time. I must remember the next time I come in mango season. Because we all know that Pakistani mangoes are the best in the world.